live from Currywurst here in Long Beach. And they have great German food, the best German food in Long Island. Is that true? Yeah! I've known my friend Hippie Chick for a long time. And to open this show in style, we have a special surprise for Otar, the owner. Otar! Otar! As the owner of this German restaurant, we have a special surprise for you. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Scott Martin singing in German. Whoa.
That's my
that amazing German song.
Awesome. Really, really nice. Thank you so much.
Hippie Chick, what do you think? She did a double, she's still out. What do you think of that amazing performance by Scott Martin and Jay Bird?
I love these guys. Thank you so much. You guys rocked it.
All right, we're going to take a break. So coming up after the break, we are in Long Beach. But a lot of people came and helped us out after the storm. The Baldwin Middle School, the budget was cut. There's no after-school activities. So us here in Baldwin, we're going to reach out and help the people in Baldwin because everybody helped Long Beach after the storm. And it's our time to help our great friends in Baldwin. And speaking of Baldwin, our videographer Chris Campbell is a Baldwin guy. And after the break, we're going to speak to Ed Ramirez and Mike Carabini and give it all love. All right, we're taking a break. I am Halftime Alley, coming to you live from this great German restaurant, Currywurst, here in Long Beach, on Long Island's first and oldest radio station, 1240 AM, WGBB. Yeah!